Hi! In front of me is OnePlus 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Cloner on this device. Firstly, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down, choose Apps and click on App Cloner. Then tap on one of your available apps that you wish to clone, in my case Facebook. Following that, click on the switcher next to Create App Clone. Wait a bit. And choose Rename App Clone. Over here you can rename your app however you wish to. I will go with Facebook tool and save it by choosing Save over here. Now when I go back and try to access Facebook app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!